Donald O'Reilly Quarry was born on February 25, 1951 in Kingston, Jamaica. Quarry made the Jamaican 100 meters team for the 1968 Summer Olympics as a 17-year-old, but he injured himself in training, and couldn't take part. He moved to the United States and attended the University of Southern California, graduating with a degree in business and public administration. There, his sprinting capabilities gradually increased. At the 1970 Commonwealth Games, Quarry won the gold medal in both the 100 and 200 meters, surprising his more experienced competitors. Anchoring the Jamaican 4x100 meters relay team, he pocketed a third Commonwealth title. Quarry repeated his sprint double the following year, at the Pan American Games in Cali, and his time in the 200 meters was a hand-timed 19.8. One of the favorites for the upcoming Munich Olympics, Quarry again suffered from injuries at the Olympic Games. He did compete in the 200 meters, but had to abandon his 200 meters semi-final after pulling a muscle. In 1974, Quarry repeated his 1970 performance by grabbing the 100 and 200 meters titles at the Commonwealth Games in Christchurch, becoming the first athlete to retain the title in either event. The next season, he again tied the 200 meters world record, 19.8. He also tied the 100 meters record with a hand-timed mark, 9.9, in 1976 at the California Relays at Modesto Junior College, one of only a few athletes to have held these records simultaneously. This time was actually 10.07 seconds. In 1976, after winning the Triple A's 100-200 titles, Quarry could finally compete at the Olympics without injuries. He first made the 100 meters final, which he led until overtaken by Trinidadian Hasely Crawford. In the 200 meters, Quarry led the pack coming out of the turn, and held off all challenges to take the title in 20.22.